week ago today, after 121,000 acres burned, more than 60 homes and almost 40 other buildings destroyed, the threat to Los Alamos and the National Lab have cooled off. Residents are returning home now. In fact, the repopulation is still going on right now. News 13's Jeff Todd kicks off our live team coverage. Jeff?
As the chief just said, the doors to Los Alamos opened at 8 o'clock this morning, and throughout the day, most of the 12,000 residents have been trickling in, but it's been a wacky afternoon here. At about 2:30, a thunderstorm came through. There were even a couple seconds of hail, and then as the thunderstorm moved on, the wind really picked up, bringing smoke into town. Over the past 15-20 minutes, that's really started to dissipate. We can now see the ridges in the mountains again, but that smoke has been a big concern for the fire chief. Another big concern is that there is still fire burning in these foothills.
We are not done anchoring this fire here in Los Alamos. We are safe enough to bring our residents back.
Part of the effort to keep the town safe is building a larger defensible space. We found this crew on the north side of town doing some trimming and cleaning in the forest, not too far from homes. That was just one difference residents will notice. While people are back, the fire and police chiefs are still very concerned. 4 bears have been spotted in the town, forced out of the mountains by the flames, but so far Fish and Game haven't captured them all. The foothills will still be closed to residents as some fire is still burning high up in the mountains, and the fire chief says public safety is now a big concern, especially now since his resources are spread even farther.
We don't want this to turn into a medical event, and we still will have smoke and haze. Tonight, people will see fire on the ridges. They will think those are in their backyard. Please call 311. Do not call 911 unless it's an imminent emergency. We do not want to overwhelm that system.
Not only is the fire burning high up in the mountains still a concern, one thing that is good news, Tim, is that in Los Alamos Canyon, we have not seen smoke pouring out of there the way we have for the past 4 days. But a big concern moving forward, especially since we saw this thunderstorm this afternoon, is that these areas that burn will be very prone to flooding. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jeff. The Las Conchas fire remains the top fire priority in the United States. Almost 2,000 firefighters are still battling the blaze, which is now 11% contained.